Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this little 2-pack of like cat brushes here, or dog brushes. So this has this nice little grip right here, and you can hold it pretty ergonomic, like right in your hand there. This actually feels very comfortable. And then also it has this little thing here. You can just open this up and you can put in like soap and detergent in there, and it has little holes here in the bottom, so you could like squish it out through the bottom and like kind of scrub down your cat or your dog with that. And this just pops right back into place. It has these little stems kind of things. You just push them in the little holes there and it goes back in there. Pretty good. Okay. Gotta get that lined up, I guess. There we go. There we go. Okay. So get them lined up and it goes right back on there. So you can put your soap and a little bit of soap in there with some water or something, and then you can push that, and it's gonna push that lotion or whatever out, the shampoo on them. Okay. So this actually feels pretty decent here. And it got this blue one and this greenish orange one. So we're gonna go find the cats and actually test this out on them and see how they like it. So we'll see if it's cat approved or not. Okay, here's our first test subjects, sleeping here nicely. Oh, how you doing, Boogie? This is Boogie. Oh, look at him close his little eyes. He likes it. Isn't that nice? Sorry, I woke him up. Oh, my baby. You like it? Oh, he wants to smell? Oh, my baby, you like it? Oh, stretchy. And look, catch some hair right there. Let's test the other one out on the other cat. Go. All right, here's subject number 2. Oh yeah, right there, right there. This guy sheds a lot. This is Thomas. And you like that, Thomas? I think he's happy. Like it, buddy? It's nice and soft. It's not too hard. It's not like too pointy. Or these tabs are like little rubber tabs here. So, oh my goodness. He's really, oh look, it's like getting that hair out of there. He likes it. Tell me you like it. All right, my friends. So, plenty of fur there. I'd have to say, cat approved. They're not running from it or like look like they're in pain or anything. It looks like they're kind of enjoying it. So, whoa, that's a lot of hair. So, whoa. Okay, my friends. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.